Are you tired of living on a low salary or living on paycheck to paycheck, yet your human wants and the needs are increasing day by day? Then in this video, I am going to show you things which will help you to make more money and start living a comfortable or a life of your dream. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Light dive in. The first thing which you need to do is learn a new skill. After your 8 to 5 job for the remaining hours, what else do you do? Or you just go to your house, sit down and start watching TVs, listening to music, or going to gossip the outside? Do know that you can change that time into a variable which by learning new skills you can be able to monetize it and start getting money from it. How? You can get yourself into sites like Udemy, the Skillshare, the Coursera, or even you can go here in YouTube. Look for a topic which you want to specialize into. Either it is on the finance like I do, either it is on the entertainment like another someone else do, either it is on inspiration. Remember that if you want to make money, there are only three things you need to do, and which are you can educate, you can inspire, and you can entertain. With these three, you are able to get money. So learn new skills. You can buy a course even like at 2,000, 2,500, or you can enjoy it on YouTube. It's free. With your phone and your good internet connection, no one is going to charge you. Get it free, monetize it, and you are good to go. The second thing which you need to do is have a side hustle. Apart from your 8 to 5 job, what else do you do? Because 8 to 5 job, that's a salary, and you cannot say that we depend only in one source of income. That is like committing a financial suicide onto yourself, and which I don't really recommend. So start a side hustle. For example, in that your profession, maybe you are a doctor, away from treating patients at the hospital, you can come and have your own clinic. If you are a teacher, you can come and start offering the tutoring classes either online or physically. You can negotiate with the children and then be getting the child maybe coming to do homework at your place, either for 30 minutes, 1 hour, and you can charge. This is a side hustle. If you are in the, for example, in this we call the restaurant area, after your 5 to 8 job, what do? What skills have you acquired into your area of your work? Come start offering those services. Maybe you are a good baker. Start selling the cakes or the snacks, and you are good to go to make good amount of money. So start side hustle. and don't go to start a side hustle, which you know it is difficult to manage. Start what you're able to manage. You can either do a ATM milk machine, a ATM, and something which you know, even if you leave it to another person, you can be able to track, not going to measure the what, the inconveniences. The third thing which you need to do is reduce your spending. Instead, start investing in that your salary. How much money do you spend for the entertainment sector, for example? Hmm? Can you put yourself into this challenge? For example, if you use 3,000 for entertainment either per weekend, set the same amount, 3,000, for an investment. Maybe it is draw 3 versus 3. Even if I spend 3, I know there is another one 3 which it is building me, which I can invest it and start me giving me small babies of money. This 3,000 which you have invested, remember that it is the parent money. So this parent money, it will give baby ones or young ones, which maybe the interest, maybe the dividend. You can start investing like in the mutual funds. Things to do with the money market funds. You can get yourself into the ETFs, the index funds, the real estate. You can get yourself either into the stock or into the shares market. And if you don't know how you can venture into this, my number is always in the description. Take it, send me a message on my WhatsApp, and I can be able to guide you through. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And in our last point is live below your means. For example, you may have gotten the privilege to get a pay rise. And what most of us, we as workers or employees, in immediately after the pay rise, we do it directly. We increase our lifestyle, which it is not recommendable. Instead, can you be able to maintain before the salary was increased? Can you be able to maintain that the same lifestyle? And this money which you have maybe increased, you can use it for an investment. You will hear people say that we only live once. Ama utasikia watu wakisema in Swahili we say kula mula ni mla leo mla kesho, sijui kitu kama hiyo No, live below your means. And I believe you, if you start a challenge for the 3 years, just give yourself 3 years. I am a testimony. I myself, Alex Jabari, I am a testimony. 3 years, for example, setting a 3,000 for continuous, things will start working good for you. You will be celebrating by yourself. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please go and like this video, subscribe, share, and drop a comment in the comment section. And I'm brief, if we can apply these things which we have taught today, your life or finances is going to change automatically, and you come to testify to me some days later, Alex, you really changed my life. Thank you for watching. Have a pleasant time. Bye. And like iron serpents, another iron space, tell a friend to tell a friend. So share this our video. Let's promote this our channel. Remember that we are growing, and I would like we grow together. I share knowledge with you to the best of my experience, and if you have question, I can be able to guide you through. Bye.